Throw up. Oh, yuck.
What was that?
That was a burp.
Oh, man. Yeah, that's how it does actually kick in when you actually guzzle it.
Oh, yuck. Oh, God. Stupid no.
Wee.
Okay, time to play some music.
Oh, root beer.
Oh, yuck, that was just tasty good. Ooh, yuck, I swallowed some of that.
How can you swallow some of that?
I tasted it, it went in my mouth. Some Barks root beer on top of it.
It didn't go very well last time. But what the hell?
What the hell, huh?
Yeah, it's cold too.
Yeah, just took it right out of the fridge.
Yeah, it's not too good. I don't think that one works.
That hurt my ear. That was a loud one.
This was horrible. Oh, shoot.
Fart. Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
Took him out?
Yes. Ouch. Ouch. Oh, great. Now I gotta go take a shit. God, why do I have so much gas all of a sudden?
Maybe it must come out.
Uh-oh. Ouch! Owie!
Those doesn't sound too good.
Ooh.
Oh, God.
Pew! Man, I shot that one out like a rocket.
Yeah, I did. Man, you're stuck. I can't fart like you do.
I know. I just feel this big air bubble there when that breaks. It was like, ooh.
Weird. Burping back to visit. Must be my delay or something.
Put some of that on top of it.
Oh, I have to eat good. Oh, yuck.
Uh-oh.
Oh, cold. I hope your mom didn't hear that.
Oh, I bet she did. Sometimes when I'm damn it.
Oh, yuck. Oh, that one did not go too well. Whew. Hey, the headless horseman. Hey, I told you.
Come on. Ah.
Wah, 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 wah. That's again. Uh-oh. I think it broke. Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh, phew! God dang it! Oh my God!
Try to fart inside a mask and then wear it for a while. God, you.
What the hell was that?
I think that was wasp. I inhaled three times, including a big one. Oh. Digestion, and once the day goes on and on and on, and also work too. I also got a feel the urge to go barf big ones. I mean, I just got urge to rip big ones though. But if I do, I'll, and let me Dorleen, Montalbanus, and including Viv might not get the little, but Dorleen might tell Dorleen might tell what's her name? I think it's like
Oh, phew!
I think it's like Dorleen, not Dorleen might not find out though, but definitely it's not as well. God. Not a big one.
What was a big one?
Like the one up there at the house.
Oh my god!
Woo. Oh.
Oh!
Smell. Oh, my reeks. Oh my god. That's
Boy.
bad.
That one.
Boy, that was big.
Okay.
Here. Oh.
God, I better not have to go take a shit. My fifth one today.
Did I hurt?
Oh, yo! I
No.
burped when I said, oh, pew.
Yeah. I can smell them. I can smell them. Ouch. Oh yeah, they're coming to actually get me now.
Oh, they're coming to get you now?
Yeah, I don't know why. I told Mom 6:30, but then my dad called saying that they'll have to. That they'll. Phew! Oh, that's strong. Oh my God, it's so strong. Oh, that is strong. Can you smell that?
Oh my god!
It's like the bathroom, jeez. They are deadly though, but oh man.
Silent but deadly.
If I crack a big one, deep nasty.
Oh! Oh, Peter!
We're having a
Farting moment.
yeah.
A farty video. That's what we should call this.
No.
This is the second one.
I don't know.
Video about farts. Oh my god!
Oh no, mine is breaking so badly.
Do they ever? Holy.
Especially the bathroom with the worst.
Oh my god.
It just.
I'm so glad I